What up, my YouTube family? And we back at it. We come outside, we mask up because you know how the thing is go. We just trying to stay safe, and we heading up to tracking station. And yes, we did this already, but we taking the tracking station, which is that big satellite. Yes, I have the video. Y'all could check it up in the corner there. We're gonna take that particular view to a higher height. So we come here, we do a little warm up. When I reach, I couldn't park where I usually park, which is directly opposite the entrance to the Bamboo Cathedral. So a little update here, guys. We can't park opposite the entrance as we used to. The CDA, who are the folks in charge of this general area, has implemented a parking area, and there's a $20 charge for that parking. It's a little early, it's about 6 something. Babe, what time you get?
It's about, we woke up at 5:15 and right now it's about, what, 6:45?
It is 6:51
right,
to be exact. And yeah, I prepared Jay from before so she don't get too mad with me. So we pumping, we heading up to the tracking station to see a higher height. See you in a little bit, guys. Hi guys, so as I told y'all, we reached the top. This is the next time you're gonna hear from us, and yeah, that is it in the background there. It looks magnificent as it was the last time we were here, but as I say, we're gonna take it to a higher heights. So let me take a little snippet of what I'm talking about. Yes, my Let Me Go family, we just finished the higher heights aspect of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it.
I know I did. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that spectacular view, because it really was spectacular.
Niceness. So of course, the Let Me Go family, we just want to expand it. So like, subscribe, put on your notifications, comment, yo,
share.
When last all they come up here, comment that in the comments below and take some selfies. Check that in the background there. So with that one, guys, there we go. Alright guys, so we just came.
Sorry. Started over.
Alright guys, so we just finished the higher heights that I was talking about. I'll bump your name, right? We have been